hello movie YouTubers, and this is Prince, and he is strangely afraid of going into the bathroom, and we are playing with his ball right now, so we're gonna see if he'll be a baby about it, or if he'll actually go in there, so let's go. Hi Prince, hi! Here's his little ball, there we go. Yay! Okay, so right now is the hard part, or we have to get it from him. Yeah. Stop! Oh, jeez!
Get your feet out of the way. Get your feet out of the way. Because he's quick and he uses his nails to track you.
Okay, so here we go.
Prince, come on.
Not getting away this time.
Stapler.
Come here! Come here! Oh no! I don't think you guys saw that, but he slipped into me. Okay. Hey, no, you stop moving your head. Stop walking around. Got it. Okay. Okay. No! Okay, are you ready, Prince? Are you ready? Are you ready? Go get it. Oh no! No, he ran it to her. He threw it to our room.
Put your feet up.
Why I got to move in my house?
Okay, so.
His toes all jacked up because of his nails.
Okay, so now I have to get it from him again.
I don't think you want to fight that.
Stop!
I can end all conversation with that.
Can I throw it? Dude, I want to throw it. I want to throw it. Go get it.
Oh, don't trick him.
Prince, come here, boy. Go get it.
Okay, look. Oh, man.
Go.
Well, I hope that you all liked this video, and I hope that you will what? No! That you will be checking out, like, more of my videos, and so yeah.